Hi, hello everyone, my name's Mimi and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you the new from Maybelline Cloudtopia Lip and Cheek Mousses. I have 3 shades and I really like them. But before we say anything more about this beautiful product, let's look at the swatches, because I know that's what you're here for. So, swatches, roll. Okay, so let me show you a tip. This color is very bright. This is the shade that I'm wearing, the shade Ethereal Rouge, and it is very bright. And when I first put it on with my finger, it looks like this, but let me show you how to blend it out so that it looks like this. So put it on with my finger, and that's what it looks like. Take a brush and pounce over it. And I'm using the same brush that I used for my foundation. Just pounce and blend. And there we have a beautifully blended cream blush. You can even take what's left and put a dab on your nose. Just like that. And that's how you blend Cloudtopia. So, and this is the shade Ethereal Rouge. Okay, so what do I think of these Cloudtopia products and what are they? These are a 2-in-1 product. They are a lip mousse and a cheek blush. They come in a pot. I think the pot is just a heavy plastic with a plastic top. It's clear. and the top is the color of the product inside. These are matte and blurring, but they're not that matte that is drying. They have a little bit of like a natural matte finish rather than that suck the life out of you finish. They are very, very pigmented. They are also 14-hour long wear product, and the formula is moussey. I thought it was going to be moussey like the Fui pots, pudding pots. They're not. This moussey is a silicone mousse, and it's very, very easy to work with. It's a oily, not oily, but silicone feel mousse. It blends out beautifully. It's a tad drying on the lips, at least on my lips, but my lips might just be dry, so don't literally go by what I say. But for me, it is a tad bit drying. Now, this comes in, I think, 10 shades. I looked that up. It retails for $9.99, and I love it. These are really good. I like these a lot more than I like the Teddy tints in the tube for some reason. I don't know what it is about the Teddy tints that I don't really like, but I prefer this one. I think this one is much easier to use. And of all the 3 colors that I have, my favorite is actually Ethereal Rouge right here. Believe it or not, this one actually stains. It will leave a stain on your lips. So if you're very fair, realize that this will stain your lips. It will also stain your finger if you apply it with a finger. This is not advertised as a staining product, but that is a bonus for this one, because when it comes to red lip stains, I really, really like this one. This is beautiful. It's the shade I'm wearing right now. All right, everyone, that's it for my review of Cloudtopia. If you liked this kind of video, please give me 2 thumbs up, like, and subscribe. As always, I'll see you later.